So hi, welcome to Camisel Technologies YouTube channel, and in this video we are going to see an exciting workflow from Blackmagic Design for recording HyperDeck into Cloud Store directly. So let's get into the video. So now we have a setup here. We have a HyperDeck Studio 4K Pro and we have a Cloud Store Mini 8 TB. So this Cloud Store, the name is Cloud, but it is a physical storage and you can consider it as a NAS storage. And this device has two Ethernet, one is 10 gig and one is 1 gig, and one USB-C and one HDMI for monitoring purpose. So first, normally in HyperDeck, you can record in two SSD slots, or you also have an SD slots. Two SD slots are also available, and you can plug in your USB-C at the backside. Multiple options are available in this HyperDeck, and additionally, with the Cloud Store integration, we can directly record your HyperDeck content into the Cloud Store. So first step for that is I'm just opening my Cloud Store app here. This is just like exploring our Atom internal storage. So you can open and you can see show in Finder. It will connect. I'm going to use as a guest. So now I have a folder here and I'm going to create a new folder called test YouTube and just hit OK. And this is inside my storage. You can see my cloud storage is also available here. So it is test YouTube. So I'm going to set up this particular HyperDeck right now. So I'm going to hit the menu, scrub through the menu, and in the storage section you can see everything is disabled. So we need to go down and there is an option called network storage. I'm going to set it, and Cloud Store Mini, and ours is Blackmagic Cloud Store Mini. So I'm going to go to the bottom, select it, and we have a test YouTube folder that we just created in our Mac system. So I'm going to set this folder and set this location. That's it, your job is done. When you come back, you can see that there is NET3, which means it is going to record directly into the network. So now we have done the setup and settings in the HyperDeck, and I have a monitor here from the HDMI output of Blackmagic Cloud Store Mini 8 TB, and you can see there is a HyperDeck connectivity over here, and my MacBook is also connected. So these two things are connected, and you will see the data rate when I start recording. If you see my Mac over here, inside Blackmagic Cloud Store Mini and test YouTube, there is no files as of right now. So when I start hit recording, so when I just trigger the recording, so now you can see when I start recording, you can see the data rate is plunging over here, and you can see the files are writing in this point. So now I'll stop recording. So now if from my Mac laptop, if I go into my Blackmagic Cloud Store, test YouTube, and in my system, I will be able to access it. So now the biggest advantage is if you have a DaVinci Resolve with you, let me open DaVinci Resolve for you. You can see the feed on live. I mean, you will get growing files from this kind of setup. So that is what is the biggest advantage. And not only one HyperDeck, you can stack up multiple HyperDecks and use Blackmagic Cloud Store Max 24 or 48 TBs for your higher end replay workflows. So I open my DaVinci Resolve right now. I can see my Blackmagic Cloud Store is available over here, and I'm going to hit allow, and this is my test YouTube. I have my file here. So let us record again. I'll show you how this live feed works. So when I hit record, you can see the recording is happening, and in my DaVinci Resolve, I'm just going to import these two files. So one is automatically already recorded while the other is actively doing a live feed recording. So you can see a red indication over here, and the files are keeping growing. So now you can see the recording is happening at the same time. We can do whatever we want. We have the file over here which is running on live. You can see how smooth the transition is. I can put a in point and out point and keep a. So this is all about HyperDeck connecting with Cloud Store and recording. So it is not only one HyperDeck Studio 4K Pro, HyperDeck Studio HD Pro, HD Mini, HD Plus, even the HyperDeck Shuttle and HyperDeck Extremes can apply to this workflow, and all the Blackmagic cloud stores also applied for this workflow. But we recommend the max versions, Blackmagic Cloud Store max versions for this kind of live scenario, and you can run it for like how many hours you want. And the best part is you will get whatever codec you want from the HyperDeck will be recorded in the cloud store here. And after recording, you can just plug it out and take it as wherever you want. So that is what the advantage of this workflow. And if you have any specific doubts, you can just comment down. I will try to help you out.